Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change your country on Betmgm. Alright, so let's begin. First of all, open your web browser, then on the search bar, type in betmgm.com. Once you press enter, it will take you to this page. And on this page, you'll have to select your location. So from this list, select your location. And once you do that, it will take you to this home page. Now once you're on this page, you'll have to log into your account. And if you don't have an account yet, you can create one by clicking on this sign up button. Once you have your account, click on this login button. Then it will ask you to enter your login credentials. And in case if you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link to reset it. Once you have entered your details, click on the login button. Now, once you are logged in, click on your profile at the top right corner. And then from this menu, click on this option where it says Help Center. After that, click on the first option, that is Questions and Customer Care. Now once you're on this page, click on this Contact Us button. After that, click on Email. Once you click on that option, this form will open up. On this form, you will have to enter your email address, choose your subject, and then describe your problem. So on this object, select Account Detail and Access. Now in this text area, enter, "Please help me change my address." You can also upload necessary documents that can prove your change of address by clicking on this link or just dragging it here. Once you have filled up this form, click on the Submit button and your application will be submitted. Then you'll have to wait for their response. Once they review your report, they will try to verify your information, and if they find it genuine, they will help you to change your address. You just have to sit and wait for their response. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful.